My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called AnonWorld. AnonWorld stands for a new ransomware that targets many Windows computers today. However, my video will be solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. My video will be only for educational reasons and purposes. So before the ransomware's attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, browsers, all sorts of other documents. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular AnonWorld ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and because of that, very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. So the ransomware actually encrypts files and damages the files. As a consequence, it is just impossible to open the files anymore. Furthermore, your entire computer may be functioning in a very slow manner because of this AnonWorld ransomware and its impact on the files. The ransomware actually appends this SNEED as SNEED extension to the file names, and it also changes the desktop background into this one. Finally, it also reveals the ransom note, which is titled as R3ADM3. The ransom note says, "Hello, we are AnonWorld." The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start researching your system. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.